is Ibrahim.
May ano sa
You might not understand me because I speak English. For all the Filipinos there, including from Luzon.
Sige, U-turn na, wait lang. U-turn ka na lang sa baba, kuya.
But I would like
Pagbaba
to
mo.
say, pray for Marlon. He's a breadwinner of his family. Even though he has a condition, he's still strong. He's living well. Please pray for him. And his family.
Thank you so much. Salamat sa iyo. Ang galing mo naman.
Alam mo yung mga anak namin, kuya, inaano namin yan, kumbaga minumulat namin sa ano,
Opo, ang ganda po ng
iba-ibang sitwasyon ng buhay.
Yeah, ang ganda
Saka
nga po ng kanina pagpapalaki niyo sa
wala,
iyo.
I mean, pinapakita lang namin yung Tourette's, for example, sa
Opo.
mga video. So, ngayon siguro talagang nagugulat sila na, ito finally, you know, to meet somebody na may ganyang
That's our
condition.
Baba.